It's raining custom ROMs for the Redmi Note 4. Let's review Beanstalk 7 today. Here we go. Alright, so welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. Usual stuff, you need TWRP on an unlocked bootloader, back up all your data and have 50% battery. Wipe everything except internal storage. First thing to install is CM 14.1 firmware, then the Beanstalk ROM file and OpenGApps. Let the flashing process finish, and once the installation is complete, wipe cache in Dalvik to be safe and reboot the phone. First boot, as always, should take around 5 to 7 minutes. That's the boot animation and we are at the home screen. So Beanstalk 7 is another ROM based on AOSP or Android open source project or Lineage OS, whatever you want to call it, based off Android 7.1.1. It's rock solid, pretty smooth, camera works fine. As is the case with most custom ROMs for this device, it's a very lucky device, as I have mentioned in my previous video as well. Now, as you can see, it is based on Lineage OS, as I mentioned earlier. The kernel details and everything is there. So let's begin with some usual stuff. Look at the speed of the ROM, it's flawless, it's fluid, comes with extremely few apps. Now, Wi-Fi is working perfectly fine. Bluetooth is disabled, so let's enable it and see if it works. Brilliant, it works. So let's see what else we have. Okay, if you go to more and tethering and portable hotspot, will it work? Let's see. No. So this build probably has an error. It should be fixed in the next build. So this is the only bug I encountered in this particular ROM. Everything else apart from this is rock solid. So let's go ahead and look at the positives rather than focusing on the negatives. Alright, so if you go to display, you have adaptive brightness, live display, pretty standard stuff on a ROM which is based on. Now this is something new. Interface, user interface and stuff, blur UI, so it allows you to blur the background of the notifications pull down, and recents can be blurred as well. It looks beautiful in my opinion. Would be great if it's included in more custom ROMs. This is a feature I personally like. Now Beanstalk is something I've not used extensively, but for this device, yes, I've used it for a few hours, and just for this review, the DPI scaling works beautifully. Multi-window works perfectly fine. You can customize the font size. There you go. That's the settings menu which was introduced in 7.1.1. If you go to navigation, you can enable the pixel-like navigation bar. You can have dynamic navbar color. You can increase the height and whatnot. It's just superb the amount of customization these particular ROMs allow you to do, and it's really fun to use a device which is so versatile. That is the reason Android is such a beautiful thing that is happening to smartphones. Getting back to the ROM, notification and QS drawer, so tile animation style, flip-flop and whatnot. So basically it allows you to customize everything which is there for the user interface. Just have a look at the amount of options that are there. I mean, you wouldn't even go ahead and customize each and everything, but it's beautiful how developers are so creative and they have included all these features. The gestures are there, a standard option in all ROMs based across Lineage OS. Security options are there. Status bar customization, traffic indicators. So on a stock ROM, maybe not MIUI, but some other stock ROM, you might not have these options, and you may need to download a third-party app for things like these, like battery customization and the other options. So that's the beautiful part about it. You just install a particular custom ROM and you get all the features in the world, and then the Magisk Manager is there. This itself allows you to do a lot of customization, something like expose the modules. It's stunning. I mean, it's really great. You should use Magisk and you should see for yourself how amazing it works. So all in all, this was about the Beanstalk. What we're going to do now is we're going to clear the recents and we're going to We're going to have a look at CPU-Z as always. This is the top end variant of the Redmi Note 4. The temperatures, as you can see as of now, are 36 to 37 degrees. We're going to fire up Antutu. The score is 63,897, one of the highest scores I've received across all the custom ROMs that I've tested. And the device sits long below, but trust me, you don't need a flagship for your daily use. This baby is pretty smooth, does the job of gaming and everything else. So let's clear the memory again and let's see CPU-Z. What is the temperature? There you go, it's in the 40s. So it didn't overheat as always. So that's another sign of good stability and good optimization. Time to run Geekbench now. 849 and 3115. Again, that's the highest score amongst all the custom ROMs for the Redmi Note 4. So there's some sort of optimization that the Beanstalk developer has done. So go ahead and give it a try. Enjoy the ROM. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Keep smiling as always. Bye-bye.